Peace, what's going on, everybody? It's the Wreck the Third out here in South Jamaica, Queens. Already know what it is. Beautiful sun. With a quick PSA. Real fast, man. If you out here and you're still trying to prove points to yourself and to your loved ones, close friends and things, stop it, man. Right? Just stop it. Prove it to yourself all the time. And you don't even got to do that. That's just overcoming your fears and, gaining a great perspective on success. But if you're proving things to your loved ones and all that, you're still in your second childhood. There's no need for it. You know what I mean? Get up out your second childhood, baby. And if you're still proving things to people or trying to prove things to people beyond your friends and your family, good Lord. And like you in your 30s, your 40s and whatnot, knock it off already, okay? Get about your third childhood. God's told us 1,000,000 years ago, man, knock it off, all right? Get about that second childhood. Let's grow up, people. Peace.